Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And if this is your first time joining us, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. What are we going to be making today?
An otter.
An otter, yes. We're going to be making a river otter. There's actually sea otters and river otters, but today's a river otter. What are we going to need for that?
We're gonna need brown and like whitish brown.
Okay.
Kind of, and black.
Black. Okay. Well, we're going to be using our acrylic markers today. You do not have to use these. In fact, you can use whatever you have laying around the house or the classroom.
Yes.
And please make sure to stay till the very end where we are going to be sharing a couple of really neat facts that we learned about river otters.
Yes.
Let's get started. All right. A river otter. Okay, let's start with the head, and that's going to be right here. All right, and in fact, let's do the whole head, and they have kind of a, I wouldn't say it's round, it's more like an egg shape.
Mine's like a sideways egg.
A sideways egg? Okay, well that's fine. Okay, and then they have these little tiny ears actually. So let's go like this. And another one right there. And the same on the other side. I'm going to try and keep them the same size if we can.
I did that.
Okay, and then let's give them something to see with, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They kind of look like bears.
They do kind of look like a little bear. So let's go like this and this. Good. And same with the other one. Very good. And then we're going to give them a nose. This.
That's a weird looking nose.
Kind of like a rounded triangle. Okay. And then, of course, we're going to have a happy guy. This.
Always.
This. And then the mouth. Good. Now, they also have very long whiskers that help them when they're hunting and swimming around in the water. So we're going to do some really long whiskers. And we'll do another 3 on the other side. Good. Okay, now let's work on the body a little bit. So we're going to start right around here, and we're just going to come all the way down to about here.
Here?
Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and then we want to come out from that line, and we're going to make like his little otter foot. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to just come up here. Good. Yeah, and yours is going to just start right here. So 1, 2, 3, all the way right there at the very end. That's okay, you got enough room. Good. There you go. Okay, and then what we're going to do is, let's go over here, and we're going to put an arm with a finger. Okay, and then we're just going to keep going up to about there. We don't want to go all the way up. Okay, And then same on this side. We're going to make another one. Okay, and then same thing. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, and then same thing here. We're going to come down, not quite to the bottom. Okay. And I'm just going to finish it. Very good. Okay, and then lastly, we're going to have a tail. Now, they have kind of thick tails, so this tail is going to come out here.
Cat tail.
It does kind of look like a cat right now, but we're going to make it look like an otter as soon as we start fast forwarding. Okay? Something like that. Well, I think it's time to fast forward and bring our river otter to life.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, we are back from fast forwarding. This guy came out really cute.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about what you did with your picture.
So for the otter, I did dark brown.
Uh-huh.
And for the belly, I did light brown. And for the ears, I did pink. And the eyes, I did white. I did black, and then I did white.
Okay, and I liked what you did, so I did the same as well. I used the same colors. Well, we promised a couple fun facts about otters. What did you learn about river otters?
Some otters can swim down 60 feet.
60 feet? That's really deep. I learned that they're a very social animal. In fact, they can be seen playing in the snow and going down hills like on a sled and across the ice. And in fact, when they sleep, a lot of times they hold hands so that their family stays together.
Yes.
Well, what else do we have to do?
Our signature.
Yeah. Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another creation with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your otter, and we hope to see you next time.
Bye for now.